back to FDS Garage, and today I'm going to be cutting the muffler off of my car because it's way too quiet, and I just want to show you guys how loud these cars can be. So I actually just went to Harbor Freight to get myself a saw to be able to cut this off. I guess while cutting off this exhaust, I can tell you guys how good this saw is because it was only 30 bucks at Harbor Freight, and hopefully it works long enough to at least get this exhaust off. It smells like elephant shit. Jacked up, we're gonna go ahead and get under the car so I can cut the exhaust off. How far is that going in?
It smells like ass.
Your wife and my mother. Is it even cutting? Yeah, I mean it is, but it's gonna take forever. Yes. I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. I'm smart, I can do it. Ready? Okay. Well, I cut already.
It smells like straight caca, bro. I got a bunch of dust in my eye.
That's good. I'm gonna piss off so many of my neighbors. I think we got to do a flyby for the boys. For the boys. Yeah, we got to do the flyby.
Yeah, bike like too, you feel me?
Oh my god, that sounds so good. That's much better than the stock muffler, obviously. Man, that sounds too good. muffler that we pulled out is absolutely massive, and it's so heavy. I think we probably lost about, I want to say like 50 pounds off of this thing, man. It sounds so much better now. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, all that stuff. We're going to be cleaning out this garage eventually so we can put the car in here and start working on it. I got to get the brakes done and everything like that. Got to drop the drive shaft because it makes a really bad noise, and then we're going to take care of this rust, and all of that stuff is going to be in the coming weeks, guys. Make sure, like I said, just subscribe, like the videos, all that stuff. Show a little bit of support so I can keep making more content like this. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all later.